Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at a leaked mythical epic coming to Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so a new mythical epic has just been leaked, and it's not the Shiver and Scorch Water and Lightning variant. This is a different one, which is very surprising because that means we have two leaked at the moment. So we don't really know which one is going to come out first yet. So now let's go ahead and look at the epic. So this was found by First Mate Philip on the Prodigy wiki. And as we can see, it's like a Nebula mixed with a Lumanite. And it looks very cool. It has like the sort of yellowish hornish thing. So here's Nebula for reference. It has the yellow things that we saw on the leaked variant. And then here's Lumanite, so it definitely does look like it's going to be a cross between the two, which does bring up the question of what this is going to be named. Now, I honestly have no idea what this is going to be named, because there are a lot of possibilities. They could do like a mix between the names, or they could do something completely different. So another thing that's odd is like these wings. They kind of have like a pattern on them that doesn't look like it's on Nebula or Lumanite. And yeah, it looks very, very cool. It has blue eyes, a moon like on Nebula's chest. So I am definitely wondering like what element and stuff, probably fire, and like what it's going to be named. So there's not yet an icon for it. I did look, and it appears that this is going to be coming out before the variant for Nebula and Lumanite, because these are in the game files for the icon, and there is not yet an icon for the other one. There is not yet a hero pose for this one, so I could be wrong, and it might be the other way around, but we will just have to wait and see which one comes next month. So there is another thing that was updated, and that is that if we go to the buddies, we can see up here we have this icon. And then the Cat-O-Lantern has been updated. Sparkle Kitty and Sparkle Puppy have been updated. White Cat, Tuxedo Cat, Calico, Gray, Tabby, Siamese, Shepherd, Husky, Beagle, Shiba Inu. And then if we keep going down, the Saber-Toothed Tiger, or Saber-Toothed Cat got updated, which I thought was interesting. And by the way, the whole thing has not been updated yet, just the icons. If we keep going down, the Timberwolf has been updated, and the Ruined Rabbit has been updated, and yeah, that is all of the buddies that have been updated. Also, we are getting this weird glitch right now where we have like a bunch of monsters in the same area, so that looks very, very weird. But yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think of this in the comments, and bye.